Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can restore the permanently deleted documents from our phone. So for that you need to open up your Play Store and then search for File Manager, and here you will find so many applications named as File Manager. Then you just have to simply select this option of File Manager where it is produced by this company called File Manager Plus. Just open it up and then install it. After that, when you will open it up, you will be able to find different categories. Just select this category of documents and then just recover all the documents that has been deleted. And whenever you make so many movements in your phone or install apps or make different videos or take photos, the chances gets quite less to recover the old files. And also, if your phone is rooted, then chances gets higher to recover your deleted documents or files. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.